Alright, so getting ready to have a thunderstorm here, and she tells me it's in the crawl space. So I'm gonna have to hurry up and get my butt down there, figure out what the heck's going on. But she says heats the house, but it runs and it doesn't shut off. Oh, you're all over. Ooh. Lights. Oh, it's a newer furnace. Let me get my bag and get over there. I think she's just got the fan on. No code. I can see the light from here. We'll find out if she's got the fan turned on. Well, she had the fan turned on. Whoops, gotta turn the light on. But let me get back here and just look and see. Make sure we don't have any mouse nest or anything. That looks good. That looks good. Filter looks good. Right. Now let me get out of the crawl space. Well, that's a case of make sure you check your thermostat and you know it. Because not knowing your thermostat costs you a service call. You know, I can't, you know, there's a newer furnace within the past 5 years and it still does have a parts warranty on it, but I don't think the labor warranty on that is there. I know it's not there, but make sure you check your thermostat before you call your service provider. Make sure everything's the way it should be. Yeah, so her fan was switched on. So on that thermostat, it's an older carrier thermostat where the whole button is right above the fan on button. They goofed and hit the wrong one. So that's what kind of happened with that. Unfortunately, you know, I got to charge a service call. I got to charge for my time out there. There's nothing I can do. It's just one of those, you know, I mean, when I'm there, I'm not gonna, I checked the filter, looked inside the cabinet, make sure there's no mouse evidence because it is in a crawl space. Whoa, it's wet. So, you know, so I'm not just, hey, turn the fan switch on. I'm making sure everything's halfway right, make sure the filter's clean and so on. But just make sure you check your thermostats before you call your provider. All right, guys, make sure to hit up the GoFundMe for my son. You know, for you know, his cancer fight. Please do that. If anything helps, appreciate it. I appreciate it very much. Thank you so much. But you guys know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, keep on watching videos. That helps too. And I'll see you on the next one.